Welcome to Garden Quilt and Art Traditions 2024 update. We're starting off in Arizona 9B. Auntie Joanne making her famous red beans and rice with sausage, oh so good, seasoned with greens from the garden. Look how big the garlic got since we planted in December. French breakfast radishes, oh my goodness, just everything. They are so delicious. She had never tasted any before. The sage is up. It's germinated. There are monsoons out there this time of year. Lemon balm is up. And the celery, oh my goodness, and garlic scapes, you just need to cut bits. I am Ellen Pankey, chief storyteller, and second generation in the 6 generations. The day before Valentine's Day, I had a complete left knee surgery, and someone brought a homemade heart. I love homemade goodies. Sonia, my daughter, 3rd generation, likes to make health drinks. Oranges, lemons, turmeric, ginger. She bottles them up. She does a lot of the heavy cooking for big holidays for the family. Oh, and there's me just talking about what we do over here. This is the lobby in the hospital before my surgery, just bringing you up to date. Fresh farm eggs that I get to use for cooking. Use those in my mac and cheese. Caramelized onions made by Yankee Sister Homestead. And her tomato sauce. Forgot to put the picture of that in here. Full dinner. I added corn, spinach to the mac and cheese and meatloaf. Simone, 4th generation. Nope, 5th generation. She has a pastry business. These are some of her cupcakes, chocolate-covered strawberries. She's 20, just bought her first brand new car. And she's Ryland's mom, who is the 6th generation. Look at these goodies, you guys. So good. She has quite a large variety. She's on G. Moni made them. Family is everything. Cam just had a 16th birthday. He's as tall as a weed, 6'2". Just, as I said, turned 16. Handsome guy, too. Playing table sports with his stepfather, Chris, who is a gentle giant. And you see the family has plenty of strength on our side. There's Rita and Chris. Sharita is the mother of Cameron, Sydney, and Simone. My son Aaron is their uncle. There is Simone and Uncle Aaron. He has such a pretty smile when he smiles. And there is 3-year-old Rylan, 6th generation. Bakari had to work when I was doing this update, but he was on the last. Mom's first grandson. Don't forget, Aaron is chief of security, 2A, martial arts black belt, and some more stuff. Just want you to see the family update. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. We love you. Ego Amote.